Did you know a dog can play piano? In the world of AI, if you can imagine it, you can see it. Don't you wish things are that easy in our world too? I've been playing with surreal silliness that is trendy in 2026. No perfection, just pure joy. I made these impossible photos using Flow and Hello, friends. Welcome to Nana's Easy AI. We're embracing the future, one simple click at a time. No stress, no complicated jargon. Start having a little bit of fun with it. If I can do it, you can too. Let's get started. Today, I'm going to show you how to do it for free. I promise it's easier than you think. Let's go to browser and type Flow AI. Flow is an AI-powered filmmaking studio developed by Google. You can create image and videos here. We are making images today. Videos takes more credits and we will do sometime later. It gives us free credits every day to play. Usually, it's plenty for me. If you run out of credit, wait till next day instead of paying money. It resets every day. We are working on image here. You can select the size of your image. 16:9 is for YouTube video, TV, landscape ratio. 9:6 is for YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Reels, portrait size. I select 16:9 this numbers. How many images you want to create with one prompt at the same time. I usually select one at a time so I don't waste credit. If you want to create two similar images, then choose two. Then you can pick the better one for you. The Nano Banana 2 model because it's fast and fun and takes less credits than Pro model. I just type in something silly. Let's try. A cat eating a banana. Don't worry about being a computer expert. Just talk, type to it like a friend. You tap this button and the image appears. Look at that. Perfectly impossible. And it takes seconds. I want to show you something cool. Click your image. You can edit or changes by typing in the box and send button, and it generates edited image. I want you to try this cool feature, Lasso. You are happy the image overall. But one thing I don't want to see, or I rather change into something else. You mark the part you want to change with your mouse. Isn't it cool? I typed, replace this with a stainless bowl. Now you are happy with the result. Download here. I, I like my image quality to 2K, then download. Now it's your turn. I've put 10 silly prompts in the description for you. I will give you homework. Head over to Flow AI to practice after you are done watching this and try a few and see what happens. Technology doesn't have to be scary. Sometimes it's just a way to make yourself smile. Comment below what images did you create? Thank you for watching and God bless.